Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with the same Apple ID on the device you plan to use. Once signed in, enable iCloud Photos so your library syncs. This is why syncing matters. It makes photos available everywhere. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and that the device shows under your Apple ID. Now, go to iCloud. or the Photos app on your Mac/iPhone. That first action kicks off access to the images you want to retrieve. Once done with sign in and sync, open iCloud. or the native Photos app to grab files. On iCloud. Select multiple photos and click Download. Pick originals to retain full quality. That's important for prints or edits. On Mac, choose Download Originals to this Mac so you don't get optimized placeholders. For Windows, use iCloud for Windows and point the download folder where you want files stored. Make sure hike conversion or manual conversion is handled if you need JPGs. Finish by moving your downloaded photos to the final location: external drive, NAS, or organized folders on your Mac or PC. Verify counts, check creation dates, and convert hike to JPG when compatibility is required. If something goes wrong, the most useful troubleshooting step is to confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID and check recently deleted and iCloud storage. If sync looks stuck, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, or sign out and sign back in to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.